Downhill battle. Race 8. One driver and we have complete semifinals 2. Who racing today? Jiro Kono, driving in Toyota 2000 GT. Ron Bradshaw, driving in 67 Ford GT40 MK4. Head-to-head racing battle. First driver to will win 3, advances on to the next round of 4. Race 1. Jiro Kono on the pole position. Here we go. Jiro Kono takes the win in race 1. Better start for Ron Bradshaw, but only for the few centimeters. After that, it was a drive directed by Jiro Kono. Race 2. Ron Bradshaw on the pole. Here we go. Jiro Kono takes the second win. Wow, what a super fast drive. Race 3. Jiro Kono on the pole position. Here we go. Jiro Kono takes the third win in a row. He clearly advances to the semi-final 2. This is the semi-finals quartet: Tony Hatter, Deadson, Lent Devon, and Jiro Kono. I'm Matthew O'Brien. See you soon on the Race of Cars YouTube channel.